You see the drippy, I'm fitted up. Hop in my car and the giddy up. Secure the bag, yeah, I get the bag.
Alright, my good people. Hey, welcome back to another video, and this might be a long one because I'm gonna attempt to hook the harness back up, get the headers installed. Coolant's good, I already checked that. Get fuel pump put together, put back on the hanger, cleaned it up yesterday, get that installed, and install these brake lines from Chase Base. Alright, I'm gonna try and keep it on 8 minutes, no promises, but we'll see how it goes. The day I decide to do this is the day I get swamped with other work, so that work comes first, you know what I'm saying? So y'all bear with me. Alright,
I think my philosophy in life is going to be, if I'm going to let you do dumb stuff, I should at least let you know how to do it right.
Game on!
Right now it's just trial and error. We're gonna make this fit somehow. We used to have the saying in Afghanistan, when the plywood won't fit, trim will cover it.
I'm still trying to figure out this one. It's down here on the lower harness between the alternator and the starter, and this one, the 3-pin sitting up here where the throttle body and the intake is. Trying to figure that one out. And on the driver's side, next to the igniter, I have these 3, which I'm thinking I removed something. I can't remember what it is, but I need to figure it out so I can plugged up. Oh, okay, I see. So one goes here, this one, but I can't. I can just figure out where that one goes, and then this one's baffling me too. I need to figure that out. Making headway, making progress. I was about to do these lines that I got from Chase Bays when I figured out one of the long ones that goes down to the brake line down here. I need a double female to connect for the one going back to the rear of the car. So I'm running over to Advance real quick to see if they have that. Come back, hook these lines up, so at least I'm making progress. I am making progress. All right, so video might end without everybody cheering, you know, smiling, but at least we're making progress. So I ran into a roadblock with a brake line. I know I threw away my hold on. Figured it out. My brake hard line block. That should have been sitting here somewhere. That I think, yep, should be sitting right here. Connecting. Oh, it's right here. The hole's over here. Can't see it. This will connect into it, and the other line connect from here, going into the front wheel. I knew I threw it away. I knew I did. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna look through my parts bin tonight, tomorrow, see if I find it. But I can't find one on eBay or any parts store. But so that's a stopping point. The brake lines. I'm gonna still run them, hook them up to the brake booster, or got it to the master cylinder. I'm gonna still hook them up, run them in here, get that out of the way. So now onto the fuel tank. All right, and y'all don't judge me. I don't have an insulator for the fuel pump. The fuel pump, it's a 450 liter. It says TI, but it's formerly Walbro, whatever. but I need to get all that hooked up in here. So I got the hose already, got to put clamps on, cut it, put a pump in. So as my insulator, I'm using a radiator hose. It's not gonna be forever. Like I said, car just needs to run. We put some hours in the engine, blah, 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 go from there. And I'm gonna go ahead and fix the whole issue that caused the engine not to run. Thank God it didn't, because I'd had to jump through my injectors. So I'm gonna solder this, get it set up, get the pump mounted on here, and go clean the tank. This is what I got done so far. We still got to connect the plugs on the pump and put the starter on. I got the old grain gasket for the top of the fuel tank. The tank is still in the truck, still filled with vinegar, the trick we used to get roast out, and I'm off tomorrow. So just
What is up, guys? It's me, your boy.
why you be doing that, bro?
I'm sorry, I gotta do an intro.
I'm trying to make it.
I know you're trying to make it short.
Anyway, people, I'm out. End of this video. End of this video for today. That's as far as we got. If y'all don't mind, order some merch so I can get parts of these things, man. Shit ain't cheap.
Because that thing needs a lot of work.
Yeah, that's a VQ guy from TikTok. If y'all don't know.